So I just transplanted some plants from that pot. They don't seem to be doing well, and I figured, well, it might be because that one has a lot of roots. It's actually an orchid plant, and I put soil over the top. So I was keeping a couple of those plants happy, but I'm considering moving all the plants to other pots. So I might get like quite a few pots this weekend to transplant, and then I might get rid of the old plant that's sort of dead. My original idea was maybe it might be able to, growing plants on it might revive the other plant, but I think it's just dead and growing mold, and not really sure what to think. So anyways, these ones were looking like they're shriveled, so I moved these ones tonight in the hope that especially this one at the front with a little bit of green might recover when they're buried in the correct soil. Those forget-me-nots seem to be doing not so well too. They're experiencing a lot of rot, and there's some white fungus growing on the plant too, so it might be helping it rot. The carnation's doing fine, and that ivy, the hearts of chains is doing quite well. It's growing quite well, but I'm still considering possibly moving them all because I'm not sure if it's healthy, the soil that they're growing in. And so I might do a huge transplant into a nice big pot for them, because I'm not convinced that they're actually doing that well in that pot. I know the carnation is growing quite well, but the forget-me-nots, most of it's rotting. It's got a lot of rot on it. So sort of want it to do a bit better. I'm not happy with it rotting. But I know forget-me-nots always rot, because I do remember having them in the garden, and really the best leaves are on top, and the rest of it sort of rots a lot. So I think forget-me-nots turn brown quite readily, but I still thought I might transplant it just in case that pot's not really doing it. I mean, the soil doesn't run very deep and stuff, so I might consider moving it. And I think it's getting diseased from the white fungus that's growing all over this dead plant. So I might do that this weekend, transplant some of the plants, and hopefully they'll do better. But my mini daffodils are doing well. Look at all them standing up, growing. They yet to sprout into full leaves, so they've got a lot of growing to do. Months of growing.